Hello everybody, today we're going to make a tropical bird. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at Miss Erin's example. And this example uses plastic bags cut for the tail feathers, a eyeball that is made of a bottle cap, and a paper plate body. So, you need a paper plate or a circle cut out of some cardboard, okay? You will also need some crayons or colored pencils or even markers, okay? You'll need some tape and either some cut up plastic bag or string and ribbon. You will also need a pair of scissors, and be careful when you use them. Make sure that you have an adult nearby. And then you might also need a permanent marker. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your circle and you're going to cut it in half. The second thing that you are going to do is you're going to tape it. So this is going to be the head and this is going to be the body. You can decide whichever way you want your bird's head to be facing. Some people would want it up, some people would want it down. I have one that I've already started, okay? And this one I already drew in the eye. On my example over here, I used a bottle cap drawn with Sharpie marker for the eye. You can use whatever you have at home. So once you figure it out, Miss Erin put a piece of tape on the back, okay? And what you're going to do is, for the body, you're going to color it however you like. I like to make mine a solid color, okay? And I want you to take your time when you color in your bird. Miss Erin is going to do it fast so she can show you how to make it. So I've decided to do a green bottom. My beak is going to be yellow, and how I do it is I drew an eyeball and then I'm just going to cut the top part in half and color this side yellow and this side a different color. Oh, my cat. My cat really likes bottle caps, so if I have one out on the table, he'll come and steal it from me. That's okay, because this one we drew our eyeball in, okay? So I've colored the beak, and now I'm going to color the rest of the head, and I think I'm going to go with a little purple color. Okay. Now that I have my tropical bird colored in, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape on my tail feathers. And in this case, I'm going to use some ribbon and some string. But again, I actually really like the way that the cut up plastic bags look. So if you don't have these, you can use cut up plastic bags to make some tail feathers.